好，我们来看这一本《Shark in the Park on a Windy Day》。Shark in a park on a windy day. Shark 鲨鱼 ，Shark 在哪里呢 ？In the park 公园。Shark in the park 什么样的天气呢 ？On a windy day 什么日子 ？On 用 on a windy day. Shark in the park on a windy day by Nick Sharett 作家很有名的作家。好，鲨鱼 shark shark in the park. There's a shark in the park. There's a shark in the park. There's a shark in the park. 公园 park. What can you see in the park? Look at the picture. What can you see in the park? I see a boy. I see a boy with a telescope. I see 4 ducks in the pond. I see a little girl. I see someone is reading the newspaper. I see a sun and I see clouds in the sky. I see some trees. I see the green grass. I see, or you can use there is a crow on a statue. There are some flowers. There is a butterfly. Okay, what can you see in the park? Windy, 起风的。It's a windy day, and Tim is out with his daddy. 在一个多风起风的日子 ，Tim 跟爸爸出去。Okay, it's a windy day, and Tim is out with his daddy. Toy. What is Tim's favorite toy? 他最爱的玩具是什么呢 ？What is Tim's favorite toy? OK， 你最爱的玩具是什么呢 ？What is your favorite toy? What is your favorite toy? 好，望远镜 telescope SC ope scope telescope. Tim tries 就是 try 试试看。Tim tries looking through his telescope. 他尝试要用望远镜去看，可是风太大了，所以他一直在试。Tim tries looking through his telescope. 好，吹 blow blow. The wind blows his scarf. The wind blows his hair. He's blown this way and that way, but Tim doesn't care. The wind blows his scarf. 风吹着他的围巾。The wind blows his hair. 风吹着他的头发。He's blown this way and that way. 他被吹得东倒西歪，这边吹就是被风吹得摇摇摆摆。But Tim doesn't care. 他不在乎。好，再来我们看形状这个字。Shape. Okay, it's a square, it's a circle, it's a diamond, it's a star, it's a rectangle. Circle, it's a heart. Okay, shape. What shape is it? 什么形状啊 ？Tim knows that shape. Tim 很熟悉这个形状。Tim knows that shape, and he knows what to do. 而且他知道要做什么。He shouts. 他开始大叫。Shark in the park. Shark in the park. Tim knows that shape, and he knows what to do. He shouts, "Shark in the park!" 好，结果这个东西呢，这个形状不是鲨鱼，它是什么 ？It's an umbrella. It's a friendly dog. 是一只什么很和善的狗。It's a pram. 是一台推车。A pram. An umbrella. A friendly dog. A pram. Pram 英式用法，推车。美国人他们说什么 ？Baby cart. 婴儿车 or baby carriage. Okay, a pram. Shark, park, windy, toy, telescope. Blue, shape, an umbrella, a friendly dog, a pram. The end.